Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the CB6 CarPlay AI Box and Android AI Box, a plug-and-play smart adapter that transforms your in-car display into a powerful entertainment and navigation system. If you're tired of limitations with standard CarPlay or Android Auto, this device takes it up several notches. Let's break it down. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. First, it delivers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. That means no more fumbling with cables. Your phone connects automatically for calls, navigation, and music streaming. AI DriveChat Assistant. Second, the AI DriveChat feature acts like your personal co-pilot. You can ask for directions, control apps, or even interact hands-free for safer, smarter driving. GPS tracking. Third, it comes with a built-in GPS tracking system. This is super useful for navigation accuracy and even keeping tabs on your car's location. Hardware and connectivity. Fourth, under the hood you've got Android 13 OS, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage, plus dual Bluetooth and 4G LTE. That means smoother performance, better multitasking, and the option to pop in a SIM card for data on the go. Plug and play setup. And finally, installation couldn't be easier. It's plug and play. Just connect the box to your car's USB port, and you're ready to roll with a fully upgraded smart system. Powerful specs with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It's faster and more responsive than most CarPlay adapters. All-in-one features: wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, AI Assistant, and 4G LTE all in one compact device. Entertainment and convenience. Stream apps, use navigation, or even run apps directly without relying solely on your phone. Price point: with all these advanced features, it's on the higher end compared to basic CarPlay dongles. Car compatibility works with most cars, but not guaranteed on every model, especially older systems. So overall, the CB6 CarPlay AI Box is one of the most feature-packed smart adapters you can get in 2025. If you want wireless freedom, built-in GPS, AI-powered controls, and a true Android-based car system, this box delivers in a big way. I've dropped the link in the description so you can check it out on Amazon. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tech reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.